What's up, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best pressure washers in 2022. I've made this list based on cleaning power, ease of use, build quality, price, and more. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for an inexpensive model that can handle lighter household cleaning tasks or a premium option that offers enough power to remove stubborn paint, we'll have the best pressure washer for you. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mention, be sure to check the links in the description. Okay, so let's get started with the video. If you're shopping around on a tighter budget and want an inexpensive pressure washer that can get the job done with basic household tasks, the Ryobi 1600 PSI Electric is my choice as the best budget pressure washer in 2022. The Ryobi 1600 PSI Electric Pressure Washer is a solid and affordable alternative to some of the more expensive options on this list. It offers surprising build quality for the price, a good range of attachments, and enough power to help you keep your home clean. It comes with an ergonomic handle on the top and a weight of around 16 pounds, so it's reasonably easy to use, but it lacks built-in wheels for enhanced maneuverability on some surfaces. It comes with a 35-foot power cord and a 25-foot hose that offer a solid range of motion for cleaning your space, along with onboard storage to keep your accessories within reach. Despite its affordable price of around $100, it's also well-made, rated in accordance with the PWMA standard PW101 to guarantee quality, and comes with a solid 3-year warranty if any performance issues arise. It has a 13-amp electric motor that offers 1600 PSI at 1.2 GPM, which is impressive for the price and powerful enough for a variety of residential tasks such as cleaning grills, patio furniture, and some vehicles. It doesn't offer the cleaning power of higher-end models like the Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 and shouldn't be used for heavy-duty tasks, but it comes with a turbo nozzle to improve the velocity and clean stubborn stains 50% faster, a 15-degree nozzle for general use, and a soap nozzle for extra versatility. Even more, it has a small, built-in detergent tank that's easy to fill and conveniently eliminates the need to carry additional tools. While it can't handle heavy-duty cleaning requirements, the Ryobi 1600 PSI Electric Pressure Washer comes with a lightweight frame and surprising cleaning performance for the price. If you don't want to spend too much money and just want a pressure washer that can nail the basics around the house, this might be your ideal choice. For anyone who wants a solid, affordable pressure washer that offers similar cleaning performance to more expensive models, the Sun Joe SPX3000 is my choice as the best option for the money in 2022. Sun Joe has a range of solid offerings to choose from, and their SPX3000 model is a great value option that provides enough cleaning capacity to effectively eliminate grime and keep your backyard, driveway, or car sparkling. It has a larger and heavier frame than the Ryobi 1600 PSI that weighs around 27 pounds, but it features an integrated carrying handle that makes it more comfortable to use. You get a 35-foot power cord and a 34-inch extension wand to improve your reach, but the 20-foot-long high-pressure hose is shorter than some other models on this list. It also features a hose reel, but you get a convenient hose holder to keep it secure. I also like that it has an electric design and a 2-year limited warranty, so you won't need to worry about changing the oil or demanding long-term maintenance. For a current price of around $160, you get a reasonably quiet 1800-watt, 14.5-amp motor with a solid pressure flow rate of 1.76 gallons per minute and up to 2030 PSI, which allows you to clean a range of surfaces, remove dirt, and tackle some larger household jobs. It features a convenient total stop system, which automatically disables the pump when the trigger is inactive to prolong its lifespan and conserve water. It also offers solid versatility for the price and comes with 5 spray tips with different power levels that maintain a stable flow rate, along with Quick Connect technology that allows you to quickly swap nozzles. The Sun Joe SPX3000 doesn't offer the cleaning power of premium options like the DeWalt DXPW3625, but it provides several versatile accessories and impressive cleaning power for a much more reasonable price. This is an ideal option if you don't want to splurge and would prefer a powerful option that can get the job done and provide solid bang for your buck. Some people might be looking for a high-quality, versatile pressure washer that can be used in almost any situation. The Karcher K5 Premium Electric is my choice as the best option for most people in 2022. Karcher's K5 Premium Pressure Washer is an impressive model that provides enough power to satisfy almost any residential cleaning requirement at a more affordable price than many other high-end competitors. It has a reasonably compact, lightweight design that's easy to maneuver on various surfaces and sturdy enough to hold up over time. It has a removable onboard detergent tank that makes it easy to use soap as needed, a dial to toggle through the power modes, a built-in 25-foot pressurized hose that resists tangles, and LED switches on the trigger gun that let you know the current mode at a glance. Even more, it comes with a solid 2-year warranty to ensure long-term performance and a rapid exchange program to ensure you get a replacement unit quickly. It offers more cleaning power than cheaper models like the Ryobi 1600 PSI Electric Pressure Washer we mentioned earlier, and can deliver up to 2000 PSI at 1.2 GPM, which makes it ideal for most requirements like washing your car or eliminating dirt from a deck. It comes with 2 cleaning wands, including a dirt blaster that increases the pressure for more demanding tasks, and a Vario power spray wand to save water for quicker jobs. Unlike electric models such as the Sun Joe SPX3000, it utilizes a water-cooled induction motor to improve its durability and performance, regulate the temperature more effectively, reduce noise, and more. While it doesn't deliver professional-grade performance like the DeWalt DXPW3625, the Karcher K5 Premium offers solid value for the money and capable performance in almost any situation. If you don't need top-tier power and would prefer a reasonably priced pressure washer that can handle just about any task around the house and clean a variety of surfaces, this might be your best bet. Next up, we have a high-quality pressure washer that offers an excellent blend of cleaning performance and build quality. The Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 MegaShot is my choice as the best overall option in 2022. Gas-powered pressure washers tend to be louder than traditional electric models, but they can also produce significantly more cleaning power. The Simpson Cleaning MSH3125 MegaShot is a high-end model that can handle just about everything you could reasonably expect. It has a wheelbarrow stance design that's relatively bulky and heavy at around 65 pounds, but it features an integrated handle and 10-inch pneumatic tires to increase its stability and maneuverability. While the current price of around $450 might make it too expensive for some users, it comes with a robust welded steel frame and a generous warranty program for each part, so you can be sure it's a good long-term investment. You also get a reliable OEM axial pump for increased pressure and a 25-foot hose with a kink and abrasion-resistant coating for extra durability. It has a powerful Honda GC190 engine that can deliver an outstanding 3200 PSI and 2.5 GPM, which is significantly higher than other solid competitors like the Karcher K5 Premium and ideal for just about any heavy-duty residential task such as cleaning decks. Unfortunately, the motor requires gas to function and can get loud while in use, but the fuel tank provides a solid 1 to 2 hour runtime to complete most jobs. Even more, you get 5 professional-grade stainless steel nozzles to tackle a variety of cleaning requirements, a built-in tube to hold your soap bottle, brass fittings to easily swap accessories, and an ergonomic spray wand with a safety lockout, but it lacks an onboard detergent tank. It doesn't offer professional-grade performance like the DeWalt DXPW3625, but it offers excellent build quality, a decent runtime, and superior cleaning performance to the previously mentioned models on this list. I would recommend this if you don't need professional-grade power but still want an option that can deliver a thorough clean with heavy-duty residential tasks. If you're looking for a premium pressure washer that can deliver a thorough, professional-level clean each time, the DeWalt DXPW3625 is my choice as the best heavy-duty pressure washer in 2022. The DeWalt DXPW3625 is the most powerful option on this list, and it features a robust steel frame that's built to last, a powerful Honda engine to improve the flow rate, and enough power to remove stubborn dirt, residue, or paint. It has a larger, heavier build than the other options on this list, but it houses a powerful motor and features a wheelbarrow-style design with 2 10-inch pneumatic wheels that's easy to move around. You get excellent build quality and a robust welded steel frame that guarantees longevity, along with a generous 5-year warranty if any performance issues arise. Unfortunately, it doesn't have a built-in soap tank like the Karcher K5 Premium, but it has an onboard storage compartment to store nozzles or accessories and a siphon hose to add detergent to the water. You get 5 included nozzles for greater cleaning versatility, a high-pressure power hose that's easy to store and abrasion-resistant, and an ergonomic spray gun/wand to increase your reach. On the inside, it has a triplex pump system and a Honda GX200 OHV Commercial Series engine that can deliver up to 3600 PSI of power and 2.5 GPM, which makes it ideal for heavy-duty tasks or professional cleaning requirements like removing graffiti, but it requires gas to function. I also like that it's EPA approved and CARB compliant, so you won't need to worry about it releasing potentially harmful emissions. The DeWalt DXPW3625 is the best heavy-duty pressure washer because of its outstanding build quality, solid range of nozzle attachments, and superior cleaning performance to the other options on this list. If you need a pressure washer that can deliver professional-level power and effectively clean almost any surface or type of residue, this might be the best choice for you. Links to updated pricing on all products mentioned in the video are in the description below. If you liked this video and it helped you out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.